Hi, this is Mike from Revs West in Torquay. Today we've got a 2012 VW California in the workshop. So it's a T5.1. So what we have done today is removed the old KENWOOD. So it's a DMX520 VBT and replaced it with the DMX8021. Let's have a look. So we've got a wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto head unit. I've got my phone hooked up now so you can see Android Auto, so I can use that for Waze navigation. I've got Spotify, I've got Google Maps and some other apps on there, parking, etc. We've also got a DAB radio, got the usual FM as well. We've got the Bluetooth hands-free and audio streaming. We've also hooked up the customer's existing reversing camera. There's that one there, and there's that one there, all done.